Stop letting people fool you by telling you that a black suit should be your very first suit. Hi, my name is Emmanuel, and this is Me Versus Me. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, I post content about fashion and everything self-improvement. The common misconception that a black suit should be your very first suit. A lot of guys actually believe that when purchasing their very first suit, it should be a black one. Let me tell you why it shouldn't and why a charcoal gray suit is a way better first option. So the thing with black suits is that they could appear to be too serious. Black suits are commonly associated with two main events, funerals and black tie events. Now when you're getting your very first suit, you want to be able to get the most wears out of them, and a black suit is not going to do that. Now I'm not saying you could only wear a black suit to a black tie event or a funeral. I'm just saying that you want some more versatility. So the very first reason why I believe a charcoal gray suit is a better option than a black one is simply because of versatility. A charcoal gray suit gives you a way broader range of color and patterns that you can wear. Charcoal gray almost complements any color, whereas black can be harsh and limiting. Gray invites color and it actually brings some life into your outfit. Now, since this is going to be your very first suit, you want to be able to transition from day and night easily. Charcoal gray, you could go from the boardroom to the bar seamlessly. When you're going to something more serious, pair it up with a white shirt and a tie. And if you're going to something that is a little bit more casual, maybe do a black t-shirt or a turtleneck. See, black suits have their place, but if we're talking style though, charcoal gray is gonna give you a way more modern edge, and it says sophisticated, not boring. It's for the guys that want to make a statement without saying a word. So when it's time to purchase your very first suit, think of charcoal gray as your foundation. This will be the beginning of building a dynamic wardrobe, not just to impress, but to express. If you found this video valuable, please like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.